Hi guys, my name is Anthony from EZMUSCLE, and I'd like to introduce to you the EZBack Pro. This revolutionary product helps you alleviate back pain from the lumbar to the thoracic spine. Not only that, it improves your posture and your training performance at the gym by placing it right on your back, on the seated position, on a bench or machine. Place, click, and go. We have level 1, beginning, level 2, intermediate, level 3, advanced lifting. The EZBack Pro combination of loosening pressure on your back by alleviating the tight spots will increase your performance. So Chug, what was your experience with Back Pro?
My experience with the Back Pro is I definitely got a wider range of movement when I was using the Back Pro. I felt like I was isolating the muscles a lot more, so I definitely found it very beneficial in that session. Even though that I was doing the same weight without the Back Pro, I felt it more whilst I was using it.
For wider weight, visit EZMUSCLE.com, learn more about the EZBack Pro, and order yours today.